Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create a QR code for a PDF document. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started creating a QR code for your PDF document, the very first thing you need to do is open the PDF QR code generator link I have added down in the description box. Once you're on the tool, you'll see a field called PDF URL or link. Before using this tool, upload your PDF file to Google Drive, Dropbox, or your website, or any cloud storage platform that provides a public sharing link. Now simply copy the PDF sharing link and paste it into the PDF URL field. Next, scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here you can add custom text below the QR code, such as scan to view PDF or download PDF. You can also choose a custom QR color to match your branding and select a background color to make the QR code more attractive and easier to scan. If you'd like to make the QR code look more professional, click on Choose Image under Add Logo. You can upload a PDF icon, your company logo, or any image you'd like to display in the center of the QR code. After customizing everything, click on the Generate PDF QR button. The tool will instantly create a live preview of your PDF QR code. You can then choose your preferred file format and select the size that best fits your needs. Once you're happy with the result, click on the Download QR button. That's it. Your PDF QR code will be downloaded directly to your device and ready to share on websites, business cards, brochures, posters, presentations, or anywhere else.